Yo, what's up mga ka-Blind Explorer? Yun, welcome back. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Yan, welcome back. So, ngayon, sa video natin, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-block lahat ng ads gamit ang VPN o Virtual Private Network. So, ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano yung gamitin ang VPN at kung paano mabablock ang mga ads gamit ang VPN. So, lahat pala to guys, mabablock nyo lahat ng ads maliban lang sa YouTube. Ayan, kasi hindi na yan ano. Halimbawa, nagbabrowse ka or nag-open ka ng isang apps. Kasi minsan may lalabas na ads. Ayun, mabablock na yun gamit si VPN. So, ang hindi lang pala mag-block dito na ads guys is si YouTube kasi iba naman si YouTube, 'di ba? So, ayun, simulan na natin.
Hi everyone, welcome to Sprite Blind Explorer TV.
Before watching this video, please like, share and subscribe.
Thanks.
Ayun mga ka-Blind Explorer, nandito na tayo sa home screen. So, hanapin muna natin yung Play Store natin.
Folder, music folder,
Dito yan sa folder ng Google.
Disable Play Store.
Yan, dito yun sa Play Store. Hanapin natin ang
Play Store.
search pala dito guys, Wise Adblock. Mamaya isi-spell out natin.
App selected. Search, books, search.
Yan.
Search, app, games, signed in a button. Voice search Google, search apps, search Google Play.
So, ipipaste ko na lang. Pero, isi-spell out pa rin natin
Functions
mamaya
menu.
para hindi
Clear.
kayo malito pag ito-type nyo na.
Paste. Wise Adblock.
Yan.
Clear. Wise Adblock text box. Editing.
So, hanapin natin si
PDF media pages.
characters.
Paragraphs. Words. Characters.
Yan, characters.
Clear.
Tapos,
Wise Adblock text
spell
box.
out natin.
K. O. Clear.
Hindi,
Wise
ano
Adblock
yun?
text box. Editing.
Yan.
L. D. A. E. Z. I. W.
Yan. W.
W. I. Z. E. Space. A. D. D. L. O. C. K.
So, ganun lang guys.
Pages. Media volume.
Ganyan yung
PTS rate.
spelling niya. So, hanapin na natin. I-search na natin.
Search.
Yan. Search. Hanapin natin.
Respond about blockers. Porn blocker must install. Wise Adblock VPN browser by Photos Company. In-app purchases Wise Shield Adblock VPN protects your entire phone.
Yan. Yung may VPN. Yan yung i-install nyo.
Play Store. Wise Adblock VPN browser by Photos. In-app purchases. Average rating 4.8 stars and 19,000 reviews.
Yun, 19,000 reviews. So, ibig sabihin, ano talaga to? Very effective talaga.
26 MB.
Yan, 26 MB lang.
Content rating rated for 3+. Downloaded 1 million plus
Yan,
times.
pag 1 million na, ibig sabihin, sobrang dami talaga nagda-download kasi effective nga talaga kasi nabablock niya talaga lahat ng ads.
Install.
Yan, install na natin.
Wise Adblock VPN pending verified by Play Protect.
Yan, pending pa lang.
35%.
Yan na.
Wise Adblock VPN 74% verified by Play Protect. Wise Adblock VPN 100% verified by Play Protect. Progress bar in progress. Wise Adblock VPN installing verified by Play
Yan,
Protect.
installing
Progress.
na siya, guys.
Wise Adblock VPN installing verified by Play Protect. Progress bar. Wise Adblock VPN installing verified by Play Protect.
Yan. Installing.
Progress bar. Wise Adblock VPN in-app purchases.
So, ayan, na-install na natin siya. So, i-close muna natin lahat. Wait lang.
Overview button. System launcher. Close all button. Home. Search. Voice side. To the Dragon. Wise Adblock.
So, open lang natin tong Wise Adblock. So, ayan. Hintayin lang natin
Wise
yung
Adblock.
loading. Ayan na.
Image button. Activate. Disconnected.
So, nakita nyo, disconnected siya sa VPN. So, i-connect natin yan.
Activate button. Disconnected. Activate button. Just one more step.
Ayan.
Back button.
Pag may nakita kayong ganyan,
Just one more
continue
step.
na lang.
To improve privacy, Wise Adblock VPN uses a VPN configuration to forward some requests to DNS. You will be asked to allow it in the next step. Continue. Back button. Continue.
So, continue.
Allow wireless settings. Allow Wise Adblock to create a VPN connection. Allow Wise Adblock to create a VPN connection. Please make sure this is a trusted app. Otherwise, your network might be monitored and your data could be breached. Don't ask again. Uncheck deny button. Allow button.
So, i-allow lang natin yan.
Wise Adblock VPN is active. An active colored button means that Wise AdBlock VPN is working. Also, we kind continue button. Wise AdBlock.
So, ayan.
Image button.
Tingnan
Activate
natin.
button. Connected.
So, ayan, connected na siya sa Wise AdBlock VPN. Connected na yung network natin sa VPN. Kaya wala na masyadong ads. So, ang gawin natin, para hindi mamatay, kasi pag, alimbawa, nag-close all, alimbawa, pinindot nyo to sa baba, yung close all,
Overview button. Back button.
ma-off yung VPN or ma-disconnect siya. So, gawin natin, punta lang tayo sa settings.
Quick settings. This button. Button. Use this month. Open settings. Button.
Open settings, ayan.
Settings. Signed Wi-Fi mobile Bluetooth off. Connection and sharing.
Hanapin nyo dito yung connection and sharing.
Connection and sharing. Air personal hotspot. VPN.
Yung VPN,
VPN.
hanapin nyo rin.
Wise AdBlock connect. Device set. Wise AdBlock connected.
So, nakita nyo connected siya. So, para hindi yan ma-off,
Device settings
gawin
button.
nyo dito kayo sa device settings.
Wise AdBlock. Cancel. Add unavailable. Wise AdBlock version 1. Always on VPN off off.
So, always on VPN. So, i-on natin yan.
On.
Yan.
Back
So,
VPN.
tapos isa pang step
Back
para
button.
hindi siya ma-turn
Connection and
off.
sharing.
Hindi talaga
Back
siya
button.
ma-turn off.
Settings.
I
Overview button.
wait lang.
System launcher.
Yan.
Close all button.
Ilong press nyo tong close all. Sa iba meron namang advanced options. Pero sa akin kasi ito, long press natin yung close
Long
all.
press and close all. Recent tasks manager.
Tapos hanapin lang dito yung lock. So, ang mga
Display RAM
naka-on na
information
lock
off off.
na app, ibig sabihin pag naka-lock, magra-run pa rin siya sa background kahit kinlose all nyo lang. So,
Clean up storage
ito.
locked. Arizona screen recorder on.
Ayan, naka-on
Visual
yung
plus on.
recorder.
Prudent screen reader on. Vidma recorder light unlocked.
So, dito naman sa unlocked, kapag nag-close all kayo, mata-turn off lahat or hanapin lang natin dito yung Wise AdBlock para ma-on natin siya at malalagay na siya sa lock.
Videos off off. Vidmate off off. Voice wallet off. Weather off. Wise AdBlock off off.
So, ayan, Wise AdBlock.
On.
So, tingnan natin.
Files off off. Galactic colonies off off.
Ayan, tingnan natin dito.
See my eyes off off. Bible off off. Back button. Set home. Pipeline. Calculate. Blind. Bible off off. Audio assistant unlocked. Vidma recorder light. Prudent screen. Visual plus Arizona screen locked. Arizona Prudent Vidma recorder unlocked.
So, wala pa yan. So, ang gawin natin, i-close all
Home
muna
screen
natin.
2. Overview button. System launcher. Close all button.
Ayan.
Home.
Tapos tingnan natin ulit.
Clean up 30.6M overview button.
Tingnan natin ulit
System
yung
launcher.
naka-on na.
Close all button. Long press and close. Recent tasks map display clean locked. Arizona screen. Visual Prudence Vidma record. Wise AdBlock unlocked. Wise AdBlock on.
So,
Home
ayan,
button.
naka-on na.
Home screen.
So, ayun na lang mga ka-Blind Explorer. Hanggang dito muna tayo.
Notification shade. Screen
Ayan,
stop. Pause.
kung natuwa kayo sa aking video ngayon, please, wag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like and share. Ayun. Para dumami naman ang views natin. At pakilagay na rin ang notification sa all para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos na bago nating i-upload. So, yun lang.